the E expands. How to feather edges in Photoshop in 4 easy steps. Skillshare blog. Example. Feather slider softening edges on a detailed subject. Output settings, bottom. Decontaminate colors, removes background color spill, e.g., green screen halo, set amount 50 to 100%. Output 2. Layer mask, recommended, non-destructive. New layer/new layer with layer mask/selection/new document. Check remember settings to reuse your last workflow. Step-by-step workflow example, e.g., person with hair on busy background. Duplicate your layer, non-destructive. Use select subject or quick selection to roughly select the person. Click Say.